Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to retweet, quote unquote, retweet or repost your post in the Threads app. So I'm here on my phone and I'm going to show you. Let's head over to our Threads app so that you'll understand it more clearly. Okay, so let's first, I'm currently here on my Threads feed, and you can just click on this button over here, and as you can see, you can find the repost button as well as the code. Let me show you how both repost and code work. So I already reposted this one, and as you can see, it's now on my profile. And now how I'm going to show you how to use code. You click on the same button and click on code, and what code does is that you can repost the same thing but with your own words as well. You know, just code it into your own threads, and let's check it over to our Threads profile. And okay, as you can see, it works. It's very nice. That is how you repost your Threads post. This is Generation Unravel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.